Hi guys, how are you doing today? This is from Apple Expert, Mac Repair Center in Calgary. We specialize in Apple repairs, including MacBooks, iMacs, iPhones, iPads. Our specialty is MacBook liquid damage repair, Mac logic board repairs, data recovery from spinning hard drive, SSDs, iPhones, iPads. Also, we fix all Mac problems, screens, batteries, running slow, changing hard drives, upgrades, keyboards, trackpad, iPhones. We do also screens, batteries, logic board repairs. If you want any help, you can walk in our store and we will help you. Today here we received a MacBook Pro 2012 A1278, board number 8203315, and that it doesn't power on. If we put it on power, then there's a little bit very low current consumption. Let's see under microscope how the board look like. You see here there's a corrosion here. This is how I believe this is related to, well, this circuit I think for audio. This circuit is exactly, and I believe I have the wrong number here. This board number is 2879. I made a mistake. This is the 2011, late 11. So let me open the right schematic. Well, they are similar, honestly. For me, I don't need to look at the schematic for 3115. I can work from. I mean, I don't have to look at 2879. I can work from 3115 and vice versa. So if we look here, where is my damage? My damage is here, and this guy above the battery connector, which is this area, and this basically, yeah, as I said, it has to do with the audio. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Then what is this? There's something not. Oh, that's even not the right board. What is this board? Well, 2936. Sorry, 2936. It's the 2011. I'm getting tired. Okay, now we talking, right? So this circuit here is the PPV battery G3 hot. Beside it is the audio. Let's look further. And here is the problem. This is the U7000 power charging. You see corrosion already started. Now this particular board, if we clean this board with rubbing alcohol, it might work. But trust me, within a period of a day to a month, the customer will have a problem on those boards, because as we speak, as you see here, this is like corrosion, rust. It's itching the board. It will break all those pads. And this is what other stores they do. They clean them with alcohol. They give 2 weeks warranty. Then the customer will have a problem. Then he come to us. So do yourself a favor. If you have a liquid damage, cleaning or rice or drying out, it won't help. Even if it works, it does work temporary. And as you see here, this has to be all removed. This has to be removed. This here. This here. And what is this for? Let me remove this sponge here. You see this here? This is bad, and this is basically this guy. They use 6500 again audio. Then if we look more, this guy here, capacitor, this. Okay, here all bad, has to be replaced. This is good. I'll have a problem with backlight. Actually, LED driver is good. I'll change the fuse here. Corrosion. Oh boy, look at this corrosion. So all this area has to be replaced. Now again, this is not corroded yet. not corroded yet. So here, this is the I think CPU sense. Yeah, this is the PPbus Vsense. This is very important. That might make the machine very slow to operate if you don't get it right. This is not ready. So let's look at the other side of the board. Clean it, clean it, clean it, clean it, clean. Clean it, clean. Clean, clean. Clean. Let me zoom out for you so you can see with me. Clean. I'll put this a little bit down because I have it blurry. Sorry. Okay, that's good. For you, blurry. That's good. So let's start fixing this board, guys. So as usual, what I will start with, I'll start with here. Xbox. Then we do this guy. Then we do this guy. Okay, let me fix the upper part of the board. Yeah, that looks good.
Under what name? David sorry.
Dude, just take her phone number if you want. I'll give her a call back in half an hour or 45 minutes. So let's change this resistor. Capacitor 1, capacitor 2, third capacitor, fourth capacitor, fifth capacitor, sixth capacitor. Then the T29 controller, I removed it, 7 chip, 4 resistors, backlight. This is just a cover, I can replace it later. Okay, then this guy here, the CPU, I think PPbus was CPU sense. It's a sensor. Okay, so now what we do basically, I'm going let's file. Okay. Here I don't care about it because it's connected to nothing. So that's good. We just sold a new one. I believe so. I'll test after. Let me file here. You see this guy here? You see this is corrosion here. Okay, corrosion here, so I'll remove this guy. So the corrosion here, I'll just, you see here corrosion. I don't know if you see it here, I'll show you. See this corroded capacitor here. So this is what I like to do before I check with my voltmeter. If I see something physical, I just remove it, I change it. So now, scrap, it's good. Here I don't have a problem with it. So let me clean it now. So you can see. start here. Well, now I can use rubbing alcohol because I removed the corroded chips. I filed everything. So let me start here. You see, I don't know if you can see, but I can see the line myself. You see here, this is not broken. So that's good. See this garbage, the ultrasonic will take care of it. This is, it's okay, this is the, so this is the same pad, so I'm not worried about this. Just let me clean. Okay, so now I'm satisfied here. I'll start. You need help there? What's the problem? Show me the container. No, you have to restart. Disconnect. Okay, I did not get distracted because I have people coming here. Sorry, I have to record this during business hours. So using leaded solder. See, this is, I don't know if you can see, yes. So here, this is not walking yet, so that's good. I don't care about this because those are test points. How I know test points? Because I did thousands of those boards. And the schematic. The thing is not a trial and error and you remove this chip and you put this chip, it will work. No, schematic. If you don't know how to read the schematic, you damage the board. So we just jumpered this by mistake. We have to unjumper. Okay, let's continue. So we think this. Let me get the other solder iron.
Yeah.
Go to container. Container. Yeah. There's nothing. Check battery also, bro.
Okay. So yeah, I think the.
So you see here, come on, my hot air is not, my solder iron is not hot yet. Okay. So, sir, do you care about your data?
Will it be recovered?
If you want, we do data recovery, but we start from $500 just to get the data out. We can get it for you.
Oh no, I can't.
Yeah, so you don't care.
I don't have job.
Yeah, it's not free. So if you don't care about data, we just put you operating system.
Okay, great.
Okay. So here, those it doesn't matter. You see this, it doesn't matter to me because all it's the same point. So I can just jumper them. Okay, let's clean my You see this? It doesn't matter to me because it's the same point, so I can jumper them.
Give me a second. Just continue this getting very hot.
Really?
Just wanna open this fuse and check it inside.
Here we have this habit of people coming here. They know they have liquid on the laptop. They don't tell us. I mean, we will know eventually. And honestly, even if you didn't tell us, we don't care because it's your laptop, right? So now we tinned all of those. Now we start to tin the chips. That's good. That's good. I was counting the number of capacitors on chip, then I was counting. Okay, so let's start here. Let me put I like to start with the water from top to bottom if there is too much liquid on the board. Okay, that's good. This, you see this? This is not damaged, it's just a plastic cover. I'll change after. I see a jumper here, you see it? Okay. Then, did we remove anything from here? I forgot. No, nothing removed. That's good. So we start with this guy. We start with we do the resistor now. So the R005. See how nice? Before Apple used to mark the chips. Not anymore. Even I think in 2008 we'll have values on the logic board, which was very easy to change, to find. Not anymore. So that's good here. A little bit reflow will make it straight. I mean, what I will do, I'll do the T29 chip. Okay, you see here. Khan, 8 o'clock. Yeah, what? Just OS X? You do the thermal, I do the operating system. So let him come back at 8. So yeah. I like to retouch all the joints with my passed with my solder iron. It's just, I confirm it is good, and that's good, as you see. So let's move to the next ones. I'll put my airflow lower. Then let's start here with those capacitors for the T29. So here, I can tell you that we have almost 100% success rate. Even on the new MacBooks, when there is no schematic, we have good, good success rate on them.
Yeah. No, hand. Let's just hand it. Window name.
So
okay, what place you belong to?
okay, so the second capacitor now.
ये मेरे कराची में लेकिन जो मेरे छोटे भाई में हैं वो एक एडवोकेट हैं वो भी कश्मीरी वो पूरे उनके जो भाई वगैरह हैं वो इधर ही रहते हैं तो वो प्रैक्टिसिंग है उनके नाम सुना होगा फखरुद्दीन इब्राहिम जो बड़े गाइड थे नवाज शरीफ के भी
I mean, fixing liquid damage requires takes time, requires knowledge, requires experience, and this is what funny thing. People, they just see on YouTube and they don't have experience, they don't have knowledge, and they go try to fix them. I mean, everything is possible, I know, but you cannot try with people machines. We get 40% of our repairs. Either people bought them from PGG, within a week or a month they have a problem, or someone else tried to remove this chip because he saw it on YouTube. If there's, for example, no backlight, or change the fuse, it will work, or change LED driver. No, it doesn't work this way. What you have to do, you have to grab your voltmeter, open the schematic, and test. If you don't do this, you will have a problem. And don't forget, you're trying with customer machine, with other person machine. So what you tell him, sorry, I could not fix it. And when they bring it to us, actually he not just could not fix it, he made it worse. He damaged it to a point maybe it's not repairable because he doesn't know what he's doing. It's the same thing when non-electrician basically go fix his distribution board or his lighting. It's not good. So now let's see what we're missing. We have one resistor. We have one resistor here. Okay, one capacitor. Nothing is unrepairable. Sometimes on the new board, like 2019 model, due to the Apple introduced the T3 security chip, or to prevent people from fixing them basically, or they block supply chain. So what does that mean? I'll give you an example. The U7000, which is the chip that is responsible for talking with the USB-C on the USB-C port on the new machines. That chip is responsible for that, and they die by themselves. Or if people spill liquid, obviously, but they die by themselves. And what did they do? They block supply chains, so you cannot buy them anymore. So I had a customer that he brought me a liquid dye machine. I still have it here, and it's a 2019, and he brought it for repair. I removed some shorts on the board. I was happy, blah blah blah. Then the machine did not work, and when I did some tests, I found that the U7000 is bad. I cannot buy it. I cannot get it from any place. So I had to tell the customer sorry. And the reason sorry is just because Apple blocks supply chain. I think this is good. I'll just add some flux in here. I'll adjust it for you so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's good. That's good. See, I don't know if you can see it. I think you see this. Corrosion, what it does, it breaks this wire that's embedded in the board. And here, I don't see anything broken, so I should continue. What did you do with the other laptop, man? Customer's waiting outside.
Which one?
That one.
You told me to take the logic out.
See it from the other side. Is there? Huh? If it's clean, finish it. Because you have that customer waiting outside the store, and you have another one behind you waiting. Okay, that's good. Here we saw earlier something here, nothing. It's okay. Here, it's just dirt. So I'll zoom out. Do you see? You don't see. Okay. So that's good. That's soldered. Everything is good.
Hello. I think my wife was here once before. We've got 2 or 3 of these little screws that keep coming out of here. I'm not sure is there any way
Oh,
that
this
we
is dirt.
can sort of keep this.
I'll switch to my other hot air. See, oh, this has to be. This is toast. This is bad. Now this, I think the U7000 is good. It's just this around the capacitor resistors. Here, same thing. Some capacitor resistors bad. The audio. Okay. So let's start here.
Apple phone.
This is not corrosion. This is good. You see it? It did not corrode the other. So this is the.
Laptop and computer, we always have enough of anything you want.
If I call you once a week, you got
Just dirt.
remember which model you use in that?
Which one have for the phone?
Dirt.
And which one to looking for?
You see this? I believe the U7000 is still good. I'll just reflow it so the flux take care of the oxidization. Yeah, this did not corrode yet. It has a little bit. Let me file it here. You see? I believe that should be good. Then ultrasonic will take care of the rest. But this is definitely has to be removed. Okay, I'll take those 3. You see? Then I already kind of file it with the resistor itself. I use it as a file. So here, then clean my tip. That's still healthy. That's still healthy.
We'll call you next week about
Maybe jump or something. So what we call this circuit, the heart of the laptop? Maybe. The U7000 circuit. If this doesn't work, nothing works. Okay, I believe we're good in here. I just have to put those. You know what? I'll remove this. I've just changed it so I don't have to come back for this board. My customer will be happy. Here at Apple Expert, we treat every single laptop like our own laptop. You see, I believe the U7000 is still good. Okay. One resistor here. One capacitor here. Okay, another capacitor. I don't know, for some reason I thought this is 3115 board, but it's not. But it's like, when I fix those, sometimes I'm just lazy to open this one. I opened the 3115, but it's really similar in design. Okay, now, this is garbage. Underneath is still good, still healthy. Yeah, this is healthy. Okay, let's continue. I don't think there's something in here. Let me check my donor. No, nothing. So let's continue. Let's see if there's any corrosion. No corrosion. This is dirt, I think. Yeah. Oh, this guy is gonna put out change. I don't like him. Yes. You see how this is shiny, healthy. This guy is still good. Ultrasonic cleaner. And here. That's still good. Do I have corrosion in there? No. Okay, this was replaced. So this guy. Okay, I had to remove this. This is the audio chip, one of the audio controllers.
So maybe you can report that maybe half an hour to 40 minutes, maximum 1 hour will call you back.
Can you write his phone number down, please? I have to call two people. Yeah, so this is one of the main audio. So this is one of the audio chips on this board. Sometimes it does fail. here. I mean, if someone is not good in electronics and they cannot read the schematic, how they will diagnose? Okay, so that's done. Let's see here. I think I'm good now. So let me put my hot air away. I think I'm good. So now, are we ready for ultrasonic? I believe so. I'll see you after ultrasonic. Let's see the logic board after ultrasonic cleaning under microscope. So let me adjust this for you. You see clearly. Okay. So we replace this guy. See how nice? I'm going to replace this. Then the backlight fuse replaced, the was replaced, this replaced, this replaced. What is in here? Is there something here? I think there should be something in there. Yeah. So here I forgot one. I forgot one resistor. So let me just solder it. You see, I forgot this one, so I'll solder it back. Oh, I did not forget it. It's in there. I did not see it. You see this? That's good. Okay. That's good. That's the cleanup good. All healthy and nice. Number, where is it? Here. Okay, let me zoom here for you. You see here, nice, no corrosion. Was replaced. This replaced. No corrosion. No corrosion. This replaced. Okay, so we are ready for testing. Just let me pull it all the way down. I'll get the customer machine now. I'm confident it will work, so what I will do, I'll put the heat sink. Putting thermal paste. So what does the thermal paste do? You see the CPU and GPU has this ceramic, so basically the die, it gets hot, it goes to up to 100 Celsius. So they attach, during manufacturing, they attach copper, and by conduction, the copper should absorb everything and transfer it from here, then the fan should cool it down. With time, with usage, what happens is this thermal compound dries, and when it dry, it make the heat conductivity not 100%, so the laptop start to get hot. Can I have Philips, please? So laptops start to get really hot. So it's recommended every 6 months if you can. Just change the thermal compound. Basically the microscope in the way, I'll just put it on the side. I want to show you. So let's see here.
Oh, he didn't call you yet. Okay. And
For the iMac,
what's your
Ryan?
name, sir?
I'll call him in 15 minutes. I'm working on it.
Ryan, he said he's working on it. He will call you back in 15 minutes. Yes.
So here putting the last. I put them all, so now let me try the laptop. Oh, let me do the speaker, so if it does work, I don't take the board out. Hopefully his keyboard is good. So installing the logic board. Then this customer asked me to take the DVD out, so I have to do some work offline because he has a DVD stuck in the DVD drive. He asked me to take it out. I'll just put a few screws here.
Good evening, sir.
Just to pick up for Jeff.
So let's test now.
Jen, and what's your last name?
So connecting the keyboard. Trackpad. Fan. Let him test it, man. Connecting the speaker. So if it does work, all what I have to do, finish all the screws. Give me the other RAM before I put. Okay, connect the battery indicator, and I'm ready. I'm ready for. So now let's connect my charger. Okay, green light, fan spin, charging the battery. I hear a chime. No hard drive? What? If there is no Apple logo. Hard drive is bad or what? So I shut down. Okay. We hit option. Let's see what will happen. I heard the click. That's bad. Actually, happy MacBook brought from the death. So now, let's see. I need Apple logo. It's a spinning hard drive, so I'm expecting to be very, very, very slow. logo. Honestly, that's enough. That's a slow hard drive. So guys, we just showed you how to fix another MacBook with liquid damage. It was logic board repair. This is the proper way in dealing with liquid damage, not like other stores that they think, oh, the fuse is damaged, just change it, or let's clean it with alcohol, or let's put it in rice, let's use a hair dryer. This is the proper way. Here at Apple Expert, everything is repairable. We have almost 100% success rate, and we give the longest warranty in the market. If you need any help regarding your Mac, we are here to help. If it was liquid damage, logic board, like screen problem, battery problems, all kind of issues that occur via iPhone, iPads, come see us. Thank you guys.